India is a land of incredible monuments, amazing wildlife, diverse cultures, and fascinating stories. Let's explore some of its greatest wonders.
India is home to some of the world's most amazing monuments. Explore famous landmarks that tell the story of India's rich history and culture.
Our journey begins with the Taj Mahal in Agra, one of India's most famous monuments and a beautiful symbol of love. India Gate stands proudly in New Delhi. It is a famous war memorial honoring Indian soldiers. Qutub Minar is a magnificent historic tower in Delhi, famous for its height, red sandstone, and beautiful carvings. Jaipur's famous Hawa Mahal is known as the Palace of Winds, with hundreds of small windows decorating its beautiful pink facade.
The Red Fort in Delhi is a magnificence and symbol of India's history. Its impressive red sandstone walls have stood for centuries.
The Statue of Unity in Gujarat is the world's tallest statue. It honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and stands 182 meters tall. Lotus Temple in New Delhi is famous for its beautiful lotus-shaped design. It is a Baha'i house of worship open to people of all faiths. Beside the Arabian Sea stands Mumbai's Gateway of India. It is one of the city's most recognizable landmarks.
India has so many amazing monuments, and each one has a story to tell. Keep exploring and discover more wonders of India.